don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mackenzie 1. I'm joined by Utembeni.
All right, Stibo.
Yes, Chairman.
Wokuqala mntakwethu.
Yebo, Chairman.
Manibulele wena.
Chairman.
Ne-crew yakho.
Chairman.
Because i-season xa ihamba.
Chairman.
We never zange nibe biased.
Chairman.
You treat us the same. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Chairman.
But into endifuna uthetha kumabhakaniya.
Chairman.
Mabhakaniya.
Chairman.
Iteam yethu idlale right.
Yes, Chairman.
Sile kwi-Champions League semi-final.
Yes,
Saluza.
Yes.
Sawina i-top 8.
Yes, Chairman.
But let's wait for uchairman Ivan Khoza
Yes.
to give us ukuthi ngubani ozaba icoach ePirate.
Yes.
Yabona.
Yes.
But into endi-disappointed ku-Stibo team yakho.
Yeah, Chairman.
You cannot interview abantu abangekho kwi-top 8 i-Chiefs. I-Chiefs ayikho ku-top 8. I-Chiefs is a banana team. Because bona they don't qualify with top 8. Yes, number 10.
Oh, Chairman. Ngasam interview uPapa wawa.
Upapa wabo akekho ngibalo. Malo upapa uyabhayiza mos. Relax. Okay, the last word. Icela amabhakaniya. Next season.
Yeah.
Let's support. If chairman ukhethe i-coach, whatever coach ayikhethile uchairman, let's support that coach.
Yes, Chairman.
Yes. Let's wonke amabhakaniya, let's be united to support iPirate because iPirate is from 1937. Yes. I team I know iPirate. Sometimes the team I know, Chief team I know, but iPirate is from 1937. Yes, team endala iPirate.
The Chiefs manje.
Manje Chiefs. Stibo. I-Chiefs, i-Kaizer Chiefs, ngamafukufuku ngesixhosa. Amafukufuku i-Chiefs. You cannot talk about the Chiefs.